Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. This video is about how you can turn off your daily reminder in Elsa Speak. So, if you are sick and tired of the daily reminder sent by Elsa Speak and want to disable it or turn it off, this is the video for you. Go ahead and open Elsa Speak, which is on your phone. Now, tap on Profile, which is in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Tap on it and tap on this arrow button, which is right beside the Edit Your Profile section. Go ahead and tap the arrow button and you can see Learning and Sound Settings. Go ahead and tap Learning and Sound Settings and you can see the Notifications section. So if you have kept the daily reminder, it will be shown turned on. Now to turn it off, go ahead and switch it off. You can see that your daily reminder has been switched off. Let me show it to you once again how you can turn off your daily reminder in Elsa Speak. Go ahead and open Elsa Speak, which is on your phone. Go to your profile, which is on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Tap on the arrow button right beside Edit Your Profile and then tap on Learning and Sound Settings. Now turn off daily reminder and then you will no longer get daily reminder notifications from Elsa Speak. I hope this video about how you can turn off daily reminders in Elsa Speak was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.